bring in Etsuko Ueda, who's in an office building near Tokyo Station. She was at work when the earthquake struck. Thank you very much for being with us. Perhaps you can describe the feeling as things became apparent that things were very serious.
Hello?
Oh, hello. Can you hear me, Etsuko Ueda?
Yes. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I was just saying, perhaps you could describe where you were and what happened as the earthquake hit.
Yeah, I was working when we had the biggest earthquake we've ever had, and the buildings were swayed many times and the ceiling were damaged. Although the building is pretty new, and I was so scared that I could not stand, so I hid under the desk.
And would you say that everybody was pretty frightened?
Mm-hmm. That's right, yeah.
What was then the next step for you? Do you have a procedure that you know to go through in these kind of incidents?
No, this is the biggest one I've ever had. So my colleagues, all of the colleagues hid under the desk and stopped swaying the building.
When you came out from under the desk, what kind of damage was left in the office?
The ceiling a little damaged, and doors and a little tiles drift away.
And have you now been outside and got a sense of more general damage?
No. We cannot go out. The elevator stopped. All the 4 elevators were stopped, so we couldn't go out.
That's so now, because of the lack of power.
Right. That's right. Yeah.
So what advice are you being given?
Excuse me?
What advice are you being given?
Just stay. The building is pretty safe. So just stay in the office and wait for the earthquake stop. But we had many big some earthquakes.
And do you feel that you know someone is coming to help you?
No, not that big one. So we just